Hi, I'm Betsy Smith, the President and Chief Executive of the Central Park Conservancy. I am pleased to be kicking off this year's giving season. The Central Park Conservancy has a goal of raising $1.1 million during November and December. I hope you will join us. Your support is crucial to helping the Conservancy achieve our important task of caring for and maintaining Central Park. Conservancy staff are in the park every single day, collecting literally tons of trash, ensuring vital habitats, keeping trees strong for the benefit of New Yorkers, restoring beloved locations, and so much more. In fact, we've worked on a record-breaking number of restoration projects this year, including our work on the Davis Center at the Harlem Mirror, our most ambitious project yet. Opening in early 2025, the year-round Davis Center will feature a full-size ice rink in the winter, an Olympic-sized swimming pool in the summer, and a public green during the spring and fall. Additionally, it will provide the community with free and low-cost activities. We're excited to welcome you next year. This work is a massive responsibility, which is the reason why the Conservancy depends on you and your generosity. Please consider supporting the Conservancy this giving season before the year ends. It is only through contributions from people like you that we are able to keep Central Park the extraordinary oasis in New York City that 42 million visitors enjoy every year. Thank you from all of us at the Central Park Conservancy for helping us reach our $1.1 million goal before the end of the year. And thank you for helping us keep Central Park beautiful for everyone.